Hello everyone, Lou Frutuoso here from Connecticut Shotgun. Today I have something very fabulous, something very unusual, and something that you're going to have a lot of interest in, as I did when this gun came in. What we have here is a Spanish hammer gun. Double triggers, front trigger being articulated, drop points, checkered butt, splitter fore-end, chopper lump barrels, automatic ejectors, top tang safety, but that's not why I'm here today. Yes, folks, your eyes do not deceive you. This is a self-cocking hammer gun. Top tang safety, self-cocking hammers, double triggers, the front trigger's articulated, drop points, checkered butt, splitter fore-end, 28-inch barrel, 12 gauge, modified in full. And did I mention? I forgot to mention this. How could I forget to mention this? It's a matched pair. Here's the second exact copy to the first gun. Sequential serial numbers, 1 and 2 in gold. Again, identical matched pair guns. $12,999 on the website. Again, for high quality, self-cocking, automatic ejector, top tang safety, double trigger, chopper lump barrel, matched pair of hammer guns. You're probably asking, why break them up? Yes, I'll break them up. I hate to do it because for $12,999, it's not a lot of money for the tremendous workmanship and value you're getting out of these guns and the uniqueness of them. And these two guns come with a very high quality Spanish leather gun case. Look at the workmanship in this case. It's even got that old, brings you back to Toledo, Spain smell. It's just a great combination, folks. Give us a call at 860-225-6581 or galazan@msn.com. Me and Shane are here waiting to hear from you.